Now, if you go online and sign up for something, you'll almost certainly come across one item that is rather prevalent. And if you're thinking of Captchas, you're perfectly correct. Captchas are just a way to make sure you're not a robot and that you're a real person. They may irritate and bother you now and then, but that's usually because you haven't viewed this video yet. When I'm done, I'm confident you'll change your perspective about how you approach Captchas in the future. In this video, I'll show you an extraordinary but simple method for making money with Captchas. It's so simple that you can do it under 2 minutes. To learn about this brand new money-making approach, all you have to do is watch this video till the very end. And a word of caution, don't skip ahead or you'll miss out on a lot of important information. You'll need to pay close attention to ensure that you fully comprehend everything. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. So, without further ado, let's get right into the first website, megatypers.com. Right away, you can see what the website is all about in just 4 words. Easy job, easy money. To further quote the summary of the site, Megatypers is a workforce management organization that provides data input services to corporate and governmental entities, as you can see right here. Our primary purpose, according to them, is to assist our clients with their digitization needs by transforming scanned papers into editable digital documents. Our services also include image-to-text recognition, voice-to-text transcription, and assisting the visually challenged in navigating the internet. Isn't it very overpowering now? So, let me to simplify things for you. Megatypers is essentially a massive platform committed to providing services and programs from all over the world that contribute in the growth of technology and internet security. Not only that, but they also make clients live easier with expedited work that will undoubtedly be of great assistance to any people in need of such services. What do you need to make money with Megatypers after all? You don't need to read anymore because everything is already available on the main page right here. They're primarily looking for typers that have a working device, a solid internet connection, and a constant and proficient typing ability. Typers who can type at least 10 words per minute are needed. Allow it some time to consider 10 words for 1 minute. I don't need to pick on anyone, but I can type a lot more words than that. I'm confident that you can as well. It's actually so simple to say 10 words in 1 minute that even 7 years old can do it. Anyway, this approach is set up to benefit you because your work hours are completely flexible and you can complete your chores whenever you like. And of course, you'll be rewarded more if you are more adept in the art of typing. So the next thing I want you to do is to go to upper right corner of the page and click on the free sign up button. You'll be brought to this page after clicking that, where you can fill in all the required information for the registration procedure. Begin by entering your email address in the appropriate field and verifying that it is completely functional. After that, type your password followed by your name. After that, select a payment method. I strongly suggest that you use PayPal for this video. It's really convenient, with a quick turnaround time and a simple user interface. As you can see, there's no going back once you've chosen a payment option. Once you've chosen a payment option, you can't go back and alter it. To obtain the invitation code, simply open a new tab on Google and enter in Megatypers invitation code. After that, simply copy the code from the search results and paste it into the appropriate field on the application form. After that, you must check the box to indicate that you agree with the statement. Let me read it to you. We do not promote the use of any third-party software, and their usage on our website is completely banned. People who are caught employing third-party software will have their account suspended without the ability to pay. To complete the CAPTCHA, simply check the box and then tick the other box. Once you've completed everything, all you have to do now is hit the submit button, and you'll be welcome to your brand new account with Giant Typers. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. Let's return to the video now. This is going to be your dashboard now. I want you to proceed to the Typer Solver part, which will take you to this page where you will be given an overview of the program. What exactly is a typer solver? It's essentially a secure desktop application that enables users to obtain faster and higher paying photos. Now simply read the full page because everything is readily available. This page has all of the most frequently asked questions concerning the program, so you can literally find everything here. Everything you need to know is right here. So feel free to browse the page and learn everything you need to know. Now, let's move on to this question, which asks what the benefit of employing the solver is. As previously said, speedier images, such as puzzle captchas and smart captchas, might pay you more quickly. Take a look at this. Completing smart captchas and puzzle captures can earn them an extra 150%. That is a significant benefit. With this knowledge, there's no disputing that this platform is a total beast. Now is the time to seize this opportunity while you still have the chance by watching this video in its entirety. The next step is to download the Typer Solver application, open it, and wait a few seconds for it to run. A silent installer will then offer you with the Typer Solver Smart menu and desktop icon once it has finished installing. Isn't that so simple? They even provide you with some extremely useful shortcuts so you won't have to worry about anything. If you have any further concerns about what Typer Solver is, or if you encounter any difficulties in the future, please contact our support team. They will gladly accommodate your demands and ensure that you are completely satisfied. Now that you've heard everything, you're probably eager to test this strategy out. So without further ado, let's get the software downloaded. Simply go all the way back to the top of the page to find the Click Here option to download Typer Solver. Simply select that option and the download will begin. Simply click the software icon once it's finished installing and you're ready to go. They'll ask you to join up with your email and password as the first step. Remember to use the login credentials you provided earlier for this one so they accept it without hesitation. Then after clicking the login button, you'll be taken to this blank page with its details on the side. Simply press the start button and a new window will appear. The next step is to complete all of the puzzle captchas until you've completed them successfully. Everything that follows will be the same thing, but with different instructions. So pay attention to what they say so you can get it properly the first time. Captchas will begin increasingly common, and some will even allow you to complete smart captchas. Simply take your time and enjoy yourself while answering them. I recommend that you listen to music to keep yourself entertained. At this point, I'm going to show you a bonus trick that will significantly increase your earnings. MegaTyper's affiliate schemes allows you to do so. Simply return to your dashboard and click on the affiliate area. As soon as you land on this page, you'll notice that you'll get a 10% commission on anyone you refer to work in MegaTypers. They will be regarded as one of your recommendations if you merely provide them with an invitation code. This page contains all of the program's details, so read through it carefully to avoid any misunderstanding. Simply share your code and spread the word about the platform by encouraging everyone you know to sign up and work with MegaTypers. Tell them everything there is to know about MegaTypers, and there is a lot. So persuade them as much as you can. Invite your friends, families, co-workers, and even strangers on the internet to broaden the scope of this opportunity and earn substantially more money. You may work together to create a world where money is no longer an issue. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video and I'll see you there.